right, guys, they call me El Patronn, and this is new headquarters of Brooklyn Mitsubishi. I want to invite you guys to come for our grand opening in December. The holidays right around the corner. All right, so we're gonna throw a big party. We're gonna turn this place into a hot club. All right, El Patronn style. You already know how I roll. So we're gonna turn this place into a red carpet event. So basically, we're gonna be some VIP invitation. You guys come over here. It's gonna be freaking lights. It's gonna be basically, we're gonna turn this place into a club, and that's gonna be our grand opening for our new building. We're celebrating 2019, what's coming, all right, next year, and we're just excited, man. So we want to invite some of you guys to come check it out, what we've done here in 1 year, basically what it's gonna look like, and come check it out, man. This is just happening, you know, in 30 days, so we're just excited. We want you guys to come check it out, and if you guys want a VIP, you gotta click the link below, or DM me, let me know what's going on. That's a lot of stuff going on here, guys. We're gonna turn this place into a club, and you will have a lot of fun. So you guys are flying in, come on down to Brooklyn Mitsubishi new headquarters. This is where it's gonna happen, so check it out. All right, peace.